My name is Amadin Uyi. I'm with New Central Television. Sir, this coalition speaking against the events in River State. The last time we have seen representatives from the major opposition parties, the PDP, the SDP, and the Labour Party. We know that in politics, sometimes it takes one event for politicians to rise up in unison to say enough is enough. And the last time we saw this kind of coalition was prior to the 2015 general elections. Sir, are we seeing this united front go ahead into the 2027 general election, thus assuming is the bet of a major opposition against the APC? Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Your Excellency, the federal government made the argument that Obasanjo also declared a state of emergency in Plateau State and in Ekiti. And in those two instances, the governors were removed. So they are saying that, look, there's a precedent for it, and that gave them impetus to remove or to suspend Governor Fubara. I want to know what you think about that argument. That is number one. Secondly, have you reached out personally to any of the lawmakers, either in the House of Reps or in the Senate? Because it's 2/3 majority that is needed, and the ruling party doesn't have that. Have you been meeting with them behind the scenes? Thank you.
Let me start with the last one. As a coalition of opposition political parties, we have reached out to our members in the National Assembly. Okay. On the issue of previous, state of emergencies, that occurred during, our administration, I will invite Madam Nasir El-Rufai, to also interject. Thank you.